Welcome back to the Fitness with Flex channel, and today I wanted to speak to you guys about how the weight scale is preventing you from reaching your fitness goal. Now next month we'll have a decade that we've been able to help people worldwide reach their fitness goal, and within that time what I've noticed is that most people, they don't have so much of a problem of following their meal plan or following their exercise routine, even though some people do struggle with that. The main problem is preventing themselves from weighing themselves every single day. And that goes for people that are trying to lose body fat or even people that are trying to gain weight as in muscle mass. Weighing yourself every single day is just going to affect you psychologically when you see that the numbers are not moving. And the problem with the weight scale is that it's one of the worst tools possible to determine the progress that you're having, whether you want to lose weight or whether you want to gain weight. When you're weighing yourself, all you're doing is getting an overall number of your body weight, but the weight scale cannot determine how much of that weight is body fat, how much of it is muscle mass, and how much of it is water weight. Instead of weighing yourself every single day, what you should do is actually take pictures once a week, maybe measure your certain parts of your body, and also get an outfit that doesn't fit you at the moment and try it on a weekly basis. You'll be very surprised that sometimes you'll weigh yourself, and even though you might weigh the same or you might weigh a little bit more or less, in the pictures you could definitely see the difference. In the measuring, you could definitely see the difference, and in the outfit that did not fit you, you could definitely see the difference. Now, it's not about how much you weigh. What matters is the body composition that you have. How much muscle mass do you have versus how much body fat do you have. Now, for example, if you want to lose body fat, the only thing that you want to lose is body fat. You don't want to lose any muscle mass at all. If anything, you would want to add more muscle mass so that it helps you burn more body fat. The more muscle you have, the leaner you will be, and the more calories you'll be burning in any activity you do. Even if you're sitting on the couch, if you gain 10 pounds of muscle now, you'll be burning more calories just sitting on the couch than you did before you gained those 10 pounds of muscle. So now imagine if you're chasing numbers on the scale, your goal is to lose 20 pounds, and instead of doing it slowly how it's supposed to be done, you try to lose 20 pounds in, let's say, 1 week or in 2 weeks. Even if you get to that number on the scale, trust me, you're not losing 20 pounds of fat, because that's impossible. What could end up happening is you could lose a lot of muscle mass, and you'll be happy looking at the number on the scale, but you're not going to be happy with how you look. This is why it's very important to not really pay attention too much to the weight scale. The weight scale could be used as a tool maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, just to make sure that you're not losing too much weight or that you're not gaining too much weight. If you're losing too much weight rapidly, more than likely you're losing more muscle mass than body fat. And if you're gaining too much weight rapidly, let's say you were trying to build muscle, you're not going to gain 20 pounds of muscle in a day, in a week, or even in a month. So if you're gaining a lot of weight, it's more likely you're gaining a lot of fat, not that much muscle mass. So this is why I'm telling you that the most important thing is pictures, measurements, and trying to fit into those outfits that you can't fit into at the moment. Now guys, comment down below, let me know how you guys feel about these tips. Also, let me know if the weight scale has backtracked you from reaching your fitness goal in the past. Don't worry about it. I've been there myself. I've been doing this for over 20 years, and when I first started, I was one of those people that would weigh myself every single day until I found out that that definitely is not the way to do it. Also, if you're trying to reach your fitness goal and you haven't been able to do it, go to FitnessWithFlex.com. We have a lot of different programs there where we could customize you a meal plan, a workout routine, and help monitor your results so that you're not double guessing what it is that you're doing. You're always going to be on the right path, and you're always going to see ongoing results. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.